Generating products to illustrate your learning. Objective. In this lesson, the learners will be introduced to a variety of tools that they will be able to use to illustrate and share their learning. We will take the learner beyond the markers, posters, and traditional written essay and explore options where they are only limited by their imagination. The learner will also be introduced to tools to help ensure that all of the information they gather is properly cited. Why is this important? Studies have shown that the old school way of learning is not effective. They have also shown that we as learners learn in a variety of ways, so it seems only fitting that we have a variety of ways to show our learning. Having a wide variety of tools to show and enhance your learning is also important because it not only individualizes the learning to you, it also allows you to take ownership of your learning. It encourages you to think outside the box and really engage with the material that you are studying. Let's talk it out. How will having a variety of presentation tools help you take ownership of your learning? How will that ownership enhance your learning? Resources to illustrate your learning. There are a wide variety of tools out there that can help you illustrate your learning both in the digital format and physical formats. We will examine a few digital ones today. Prezi. Prezi, like the PowerPoint, allows you to create slideshows. Unlike PowerPoint, however, you have the ability to use motion, zooming effects, and spatial relationships to take your presentation to the next level. Kahoot. With Kahoot, you can share your learning with your classmates via a quiz game. You can upload images, ask questions in various formats, including true, false, and multiple choice. This quiz game can be adapted to any subject and is a perfect tool for studying. Padlet. Padlet is an online bulletin board that you can use to collaborate with your peers. You can share links, video, images, and much more. Powtoons. In Powtoons, you are able to develop an animation video to inform, persuade, or entertain a variety of audiences. It is a creative way to share your learning with others. It also can be adapted to many different subjects. ThingLink. ThingLink allows you to create an interactive presentation using the best parts of social media. You can easily embed multimedia content in images or videos to enhance your presentation and connect all of your learning together. Emaze. Emaze is a cloud-based presentation tool which allows you to access it both at home and at school. You can add a variety of multimedia into the presentation to make it interactive, and with hundreds of templates, the sky is the limit on what you can create. Glogster. Glogster combines the traditional informational posters with the digital age. Create fun and exciting posters to share your learning with your peers. Creasa is a tool that allows you to create mind maps, comic strips, edit movies, and much more. Resources to check and cite your sources. Illustrating your learning is just part of your digital learning experience. You also need to be responsible learners and check and cite your sources carefully. Here are a few resources to help you with that. OWL Purdue. OWL Purdue is a great resource to double-check the rules of citation. It offers a variety of formats including MLA, APA, and Chicago. It covers a wide variety of sources in just about every combination you can think of, from single authors to multiple authors to no publication dates and much, much more. EasyBib. EasyBib helps the user generate a bibliography in a variety of formats. Simply fill in the information and EasyBib will generate the bibliography for you. Combined with OWL Purdue, and citing has never been easier. Take these tools that we have discussed, explore them, and take ownership of your own learning. I am excited to see what y'all create.